Hey you guys, what's going on? Okay, so this video, I'm just doing it, recording. Today is my 10-year anniversary. I met my husband 2004, but we were friends for 2 years. And then we get into a relationship 2006. And this is it. We got married 10 years ago. So just letting you know that we are going to hang out today and have some fun. We have lunch and I'm going to go to the spa later.
Edge.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
No, you're driving. Not distract you.
I drive for me, I don't need.
No, sorry for you.
Right. Oh, sorry for me. Distract you, can't distract me.
Can't distract you driving.
First time I'm driving in a place I'm know.
Oh.
It's Trent.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Anniversary to me too.
Happy anniversary to you too. My own strength, but I crashed down and I tumbled, but I did crumble. You know, say your wife beautiful. What do you think? You know, say your wife beautiful. Yeah, you know.
What do you think? What do you think you have a wife? You know what you say? Wife. What do you think you can reach that status?
You become a beautiful. That's why.
That's how it is.
You hear that? Yup.
That's alone.
And not alone, you hear that? Yup. You see, I'm not praise myself. Yup.
Every car do it.
What break? What break? Oh, no. I look like I had a break.
So yes guys, so our day was like that. Hope you like this video. It's just a little short clips. Like, comment, let me know in your feedback. What do you do as fun when you're hanging out with your partner? Share your thoughts in the comment section. We were going to go to watch Black Panther and so forth, but I changed my mind not to go to because sometimes I go to the movie, I watch the movie by myself. Bless upon yourself.